Hey guys, this is Cameron, part of the entertainment team here at the ND Nightclub Experience inside BBQ Junkies in Lacey. We're going to take you guys around and show you what we're made of. We're outside here with our security officer, Sarah. She's keeping us safe tonight, and we got some great visitors. We have 31 beers on tap. We also have a great selection of hard alcohol. We've got some experienced bartenders here to give you guys the best cocktails in the Lacey area. One of our DJs, DJ Rap Daddy. He's going to specialize in your 80s, 90s, throwbacks music, as well as fun group dancing stuff. So come on down and see him Friday, Saturday. Check out our CO2 cannons, part of our special effects package here at ND Nightclub.